They are all connecting from different zones. I was analyzing the whole experience. Suddenly I felt, oh God, the only purpose, only thing I enjoy having this body is initiating or sharing this enlightenment experience with people. That's the only purpose of this body. That's the only thing I enjoy having this body. I suddenly realized then no need even for this body. Because without this body is anyway involved, this body is lying in the prison, but the process is happening. I thought even this body is not required. Suddenly, I realized that I am able to do whatever I cherish or enjoy without even the necessity of this body. I can say that is the ultimate freedom. You can just do what you want and enjoy what you think as joy without the use of this body is the ultimate freedom. And I really thought, oh God, then this body is not even required. After all, so many people are hating. Then I realized, no. I clearly saw the answer. No. Maybe if this body is alive and running and doing this great mission, many new people will have deep vidarka, the trust. Because now whoever was getting attended, whose calls were getting attended, whose prayers were being attended, they all were already established in vidarka. Please understand, one more thing I want to tell you. In the thousands of calls, maybe only 2% of the people know me personally, my name or my form. All others were calling different names of the divine. It is not they did not use my name or they did not even know my form. I was shocked. Then how come it is being attended? Then I saw the name or the form which you use does not matter. The intensity with which you call is matters. It's the intensity with which calls are made. I saw very clearly some of the important mystical secrets, the experiences I want to share with you. I saw very clearly all that requests, the prayers made with the intense trust and vidarka are getting redirected. It's almost like a 911 calls being redirected. I was surprised. Then I had another one question. Then at any given time, only few thousand people are only praying and connecting with the divine. How come? Then I saw this biomemory is a specialist in healing and transmitting enlightenment experience. Only those calls are being diverted to this biomemory. I saw there are other specialist masters. For example, Mahavatar Baba, a specialist in longevity. So any calls or prayers connected to those requests, those concepts are directed to those masters. It's almost like a clear, established, automatic, independent, intelligent, responding system. I was really surprised. Because it's a great revelation happened in me. Then I realized, why this body is not required? This body is not required. Then the realization landed, no, this body is still kept alive for many new people to have vidarka, the deep trust, the feeling connection.